Hello everyone, I'm back again with another video about Vethor token. So let's jump right into the charts, guys. So my last one I talked about, if you watch my old video, I have a link in the description box. Vethor did bounce off that major support and is looking like that it is going to be building up that uptrend again. So I'm going to dive in my plan about it. So earlier, I was thinking that this crypto might fail and break that like the 0.0015 level area and then head down lower. But since it respected the support right here and is bouncing, now there's a good chance that it could head back up higher. So here's my scenario that I see that's going to happen. If they can maintain the support and build upon it higher and higher and higher, then we can see hope like it can basically reverse and build up a new trend. And then I'll have an expectation of a high of basically 0.0053. Currently priced right now at 0.0021. Just about. So if it can do that, that will be the price range. And how I would approach that, but first, before I even do my market entry or buy stop, what I'm going to do is wait this one out. We are on the weekly, so I'm going to wait maybe 1 to 2 weeks, basically put like a price alert out there to see if it can even break past this 0.0028 and have a close above it. If it can close a candle above this price and just keep on slowly building, I'm going to enter on a buy market or a market entry and trade it back up to here and have my target profit up to 0.0053. And that's my price prediction, guys, 0.0053. Now, if it doesn't do that, the reason why I like to do market buy market is to avoid all the fluctuation. So if it heads back down a little bit and bounces into support a little bit like this, makes a little bit higher high, goes back down lower, and makes a higher high, then that kind of setup I like. So I'll enter in on a market instead of a buy market and then head in to get in there. And my stop loss is possibly going to be right about below here. And with that type of configuration, it's going to be a little bit more than 2 to 1 for that. And that's what I'm looking for this trade. Trade's going to be so I target my price prediction is 0.0053. Now let's get into some other details about Vethor. If you check out my last video, like I said earlier, I talked about what it's possibly going to do and how I'm going to approach it. If you guys can think about approaching it, see, I had a possibility that it might bounce off that support, then head up higher. And if it builds out, I'm going to make an updated video like I'm currently doing right now. And if it goes up higher, guys, I'll make an updated video to show you what my thoughts are about trading this. I do prefer trading over hodling in cash positions. Now, we'll get into some of the details. It is ranked 278 on the list, and it is 111,000 watch list. Now, if you look at Vethor, the interesting thing about it, like let's go to the beginning of the video right here. Let's see. Let's go into some of the market information. So it was ranked 200 and I believe, let me see, 720. I think it was ranked like 292. So since then in my last video, it is ranked a lot higher. So it's doing a lot better. So that's not that bad when it comes to trading it. So just see that it is getting a little bit more popular. It gained about 400 people more for the watch list, which is a little bit better. What else we got? When it comes to trading this, guys, if you guys want to be a part of this, like there's a whole bunch of different markets like Binance, Get.io, stuff like that. So if you're looking for trading, hodling, guys can get into this cryptocurrency. If you want to check out some information about it, just go to the website vechain.org or check out the Twitter page, the Vechain official. Check those out, guys, because it's very imperative you guys check those out to a point where you're understanding when their news is coming out, when a big release is coming out. And also, head to my website, andrejmcclendon.com. You see it right there in the corner. But andrejmcclendon.com is going to be about trading, investing, stuff like that. But if you have any questions or comments about what I talked about or my plan, my setup, just let me know. If you want me to go into more details about what I see, I can show you guys that and more details on the technical analysis side. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.